If you want to learn gorgeous Arabic makeup like this, then stay with me because I'll show you how you can do it in an effortless way. First, we are going to moisturize our skin with a cream, and it's a vitamin C cream. So make sure to use it all over your face and don't miss your neck. Now we'll proceed with the eye makeup, and we are going to do a simple brown eye. And I'm going to use a darker shade on the lower corner of my lid and then just drag it a little bit, the remaining one on the upper side of the eye as well, and then darken it more and then just drag it towards the crease. So yeah, that's basically the canvas. And then I'm going to fill the middle part with a beautiful chocolate brown shade. And yeah, I missed that clip. So yeah, and now I'm going to use black gold to my waterline, and make sure to make it as dramatic and intense as possible because we are going for a Arabic makeup look. And I'm going to apply it on the other eye as well. And now I'm going to use the same pencil and do my eyeliner. And yeah, I'm going to do it bold and intense because the focus of this look is on the eyes. Alright, so you can see that how beautiful it's turning out. And then I'm going to just blend it. Yes, so you just have to blend it with any of the fluffy brush or angled brush, whatever suits you. And yeah, that's how you do it. And how can we complete the look without a mascara? So yeah, we will complete it with a mascara, and for that I'm going to use Maybelline's Glossy Mascara because yeah, that's my favorite. And yeah, you can, if you like it, you can definitely go ahead and apply some eyelashes, but yeah, you know me, I don't like to use it. So yeah, that's a simple, beautiful eye makeup look that we have just created. And now let's focus on this skin. So I'm going to use a dewy foundation from Ingrid Cosmetics, and it's actually one shade lighter than my skin tone. And one of the reasons of using it is because you're going to do heavy contouring, and because of the fact that this foundation actually oxidizes. So yeah, once you do heavy contouring and brown blush, then it's going to come together really beautifully. And yeah, I have just highlighted my face with the highlighter. It's from LA Girl. And yeah, I'm doing some contouring now, and yeah, it's a little bit less, but you know, it's just fine because I'm going to go ahead with a bronze blush. And yeah, I'm going to be a little bit dramatic with that blush actually, because the focus is to make the skin more bronze and more brown. So you can see over here how gorgeous it is looking. It's turning so beautiful. And yes, I did my highlighter as well off camera. I missed that clip because originally I shot it for the short video. I was not intending it to shoot it for the longer version because I was unwell all this week. So yeah, that's why I'm here with this video. And because I think that this look actually, it's so beautiful. So for the lip over here, I'm going with my favorite MAC lipstick. I forgot its name. I'm gonna put it in the description. And here I am all ready for the look. Yeah, that's the flag of Egypt. So I hope that you liked this video, and if you have liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and love you guys.